Dear friends, on the second European Day on the Protection of Children against Sexual Exploitation and Sexual Abuse, I would like to focus on a group of children particularly vulnerable to sexual abuse, children living in institutions. As part of my country work, I visited many institutions for children in state care, children with disabilities, correctional institutions, and I'm informed that these children often experience high levels of violence, including sexual abuse. It's often invisible because it's unreported. Why? Because there's a lack of regular and independent monitoring of these institutions and a lack of effective complaint mechanisms. This means that access to justice in the case of violations is very limited. States must set up safeguards to prevent abuses and provide remedies to victims. Now, this includes setting up national preventive mechanisms in compliance with the UN OPCAT. Such mechanisms must be able to undertake regular and independent monitoring of institutions. It means providing full support to the work of ombudspersons. They can play an important role in upholding the rights of children in institutions, including by receiving complaints. It also means establishing other procedures, for example, hotlines for complaints. It means making available rehabilitation and reparation programs to victims of abuses, including in cases of past abuses of entire groups of children. Institutionalized children and their educators should be made more aware of their rights under the European Convention on Human Rights and the Convention on the Rights of the Child. I trust that this second edition of the European Day on the Protection of Children against Sexual Exploitation and Sexual Abuse will help strengthen our resolve to combat these phenomena.